So this is the full recipe and full tutorial to my chile lime cold shrimp. This was a recipe that I just had shrimp. I used what I had in my refrigerator and I've been making it ever since. You can eat this as an appetizer or you can eat it just because. And it's very easy. It's literally just a couple ingredients and that's it. So just keep watching. I'll show you how to do this. So right here, I'm showing you just some of the stuff that you need. Some fresh cilantro, some minced garlic. I do suggest minced because fresh will spoil quicker. You need some lemon slices. You actually need some Old Bay as well. And some chile lime seasoning. I got this from Trader Joe's. Some freshly cracked black pepper. And then you also need cooked shrimp, of course. You just want to start off with a ½ pound of shrimp and you want to put the shrimp in a bowl. And then the next thing you're going to do is take some freshly cracked black pepper. You want to use freshly cracked because ground pepper sits on the shelf for a very long time. You don't know how long it's been sitting on the shelf, so I do suggest you use freshly cracked. But if you have ground pepper, just use less of it. So now what we're going to do is add a ½ tablespoon of Old Bay. If you like a lot of Old Bay, you can add as much as you want. But for my recipe, I just used a ½ tablespoon. And this was a random recipe I just made up and it turned out really well. So now we're going to take 1 tablespoon of the chile lime seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. You're going to get that into the bowl as well. And then you're going to take 1 1/2 tablespoon of minced garlic. And again, please use minced, not fresh, because the fresh will spoil quicker. So next you're going to take some fresh cilantro and you're going to separate the leaves from the stems. You just want to make sure you're not getting the stems in here because this is going to sit in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. I used about a 1/4 cup of fresh cilantro. If you do not like cilantro or if you cannot find it, just completely remove it. Do not substitute it for anything. Just completely take it out of the dish. So next we're going to take the juice of ½ a lemon and you're going to squeeze that in here as well. You do want to make sure you're using some kind of strainer. I always use this mesh strainer when I'm squeezing lemons, or they have a device, but normally the lemon doesn't fit inside the device, so I just use the mesh strainer. If any seeds get into here, just take it out. You can also add more lemon juice to your liking if that's what you prefer. So after that, you just want to go ahead and combine everything. Just make sure that all of the seasonings are dissolved and everything is evenly distributed. So one thing I just want to tell everybody is to make sure that you are using lemon juice and not lime juice. So lime juice, if you do not know, it will cook shrimp and these shrimps are already cooked. So if you use lime juice instead of lemon juice, it will overcook the shrimp and they will not taste right. So now after that, you just want to go ahead and take some fresh lemon slices. This is just to keep the shrimp fresh for however long you want to keep it in the refrigerator, but I wouldn't suggest going past 5 days. You just want to get those tossed in, and that is it. You've just created my chile lime cold shrimp. You can eat these as an appetizer, like I said, or you can just eat these as a snack for any guests that come over your house or whatever the occasion is. These are very flavorful. So let me know if you try these, and I will see you guys in my next video.